The fifth largest source of electricity in India is nuclear power after thermal, hydroelectric and renewable source of electricity. Currently, there are 22 nuclear power plants in India operating in 7 states with 8.18 gigawatt, targeted 100 gigawatt by 2047, out of which 18 reactors are pressurized heavy water reactors and 4 are light water reactors. The responsibility for generating nuclear power in India lies with the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited (NPCIL), a public sector enterprise headquartered in Mumbai. NPCIL functions under the administrative control of the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Nuclear power plants in India. Nuclear power plants in India play an important role in energy resources which ensure a balanced and sustainable power supply. Recognized as a clean and environmental friendly option, nuclear power serves as a reliable energy source available. The Government of India has launched nuclear energy missions through the Union Budget 25-26. The mission focuses on the small modular reactor with target of 5 indigenous small modular reactors by 2033. The first nuclear reactors of Asia was Apsara commissioned in Mumbai, marking a significant milestone in the atomic journey of India. Nuclear power plants in India list. Nuclear power plants in India span multiple states with all commercial nuclear power plants operated by the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited (NPCIL). These facilities employ a range of nuclear technology including pressurized heavy water reactors (PLWRs), light water reactors (LWRs), and fast breeder reactors (FBRs). Below is a list of nuclear power plants in India currently in operation. Tarapur Atomic Power Station Units 1 and 2, Maharashtra. Pressurized heavy water reactor, capacity 2 by 160. Tarapur Atomic Power Station Unit 3 and 4, Maharashtra. PSWR, capacity 2 by 540. Rajasthan Atomic Power Station Unit 1 and 2, Rajasthan. PSWR 2 by 100. Rajasthan Atomic Power Station Unit 3 and 4, Rajasthan. PSWR 2 by 220. Kakrapar Atomic Power Station Units 1 and 2, Gujarat. PSWR 2 by 220. Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plants Unit 1 and 2, Tamil Nadu. Pressurized water reactors 2 by 1000. Under construction nuclear power plants in India list. Below are the list of nuclear power plants in India currently under construction in India. The table includes key details such as the location of each plant, reactor type, installed capacity, and expected year of completion. Kakrapar Atomic Power Plants Units 3 and 4, Gujarat. Pressurized heavy water reactor, capacity 700 megawatt, expected completion 2024. Kalpakkam Power Plant, Tamil Nadu. Prototype fast breeder reactor, 500 megawatt capacity. Rajasthan Atomic Power Plants Unit 7 and 8, Rajasthan. Pressurized heavy water reactor, 700 megawatt capacity. Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plants Unit 3 and 4, Tamil Nadu. WER 1000, capacity 1000 megawatt. Gorakhpur Nuclear Power Plant Units 1 and 2, Haryana. Pressurized heavy water reactor, 700 megawatt capacity. Proposed nuclear power plants in India list. Below the nuclear power plants in India that are planned for future development in India, the list includes the location of each site and the plant power generation capacity. Nuclear power plants in India significance. Low carbon emission, generates minimal greenhouse gases, helping reduce environmental impact and mitigate climate change. High energy efficiency, produces large amount of electricity from small quantities of nuclear fuel. Enhance energy security, decreases dependence on imported fossil fuels, supporting national energy independence. Reliable baseload supply, offers a steady and uninterrupted power output unlike variable sources like solar or wind. Cost effective over time. While capital intensive initially, nuclear plants have low long-term operating and fuel costs. Drives technological innovation, promotes R&D in advanced nuclear technologies including thorium-based reactors, generates employment, creates job opportunities in plant construction, operations, safety and maintenance. Utilization of indigenous resources, supports India's three-stage nuclear program through efficient use of domestic thorium reserves. Nuclear power plants in India recent development. Bharat Small Reactors (BSR). India is working on compact modular reactors designed for flexible deployment and lower cost. These small reactors represent a shift from conventional large plants and involve greater participation from private industry in design and innovation. expansion of capacity. The government has set a target to triple the country's nuclear power capacity by 2032. Currently, 6 reactors are under construction with several new large-scale projects in the pipeline. Global partnership. India is strengthening international cooperation by securing uranium supplies and partnering with countries like France and Russia for advanced reactor technologies. Focus on sustainability. The Union Budget 2024 discusses investment in clean energy, including research into low emission technologies such as ultra supercritical thermal system in line with climate goals. Energy and climate alignment. These initiatives collectively aim to address India's growing energy needs while maintaining commitment to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable development. Sustainable harnessing and advancement of nuclear energy for transforming India's Shanti Act 2025. The Union Government has introduced the Shanti Bill, further passed by Parliament in December 2025. The Act allows the private sector to operate and contribute to the nuclear energy sector in India. Nuclear power plants in India challenges. High capital investments. Setting up nuclear power plants requires significant upfront costs for infrastructure, advanced technology, and safety system. Public resistance. Concerns over radiation, environmental impact, and past global nuclear incidents often led to local opposition and protest. Fuel supply constraints. India's limited domestic uranium reserves make the sector heavily reliant on imports, exposing it to supply chain risks. Radioactive waste management. Safely storing and disposing of nuclear waste remains a major technical and environmental challenge. Project delays. Nuclear projects frequently face execution delays due to regulatory clearances and acquisition issues.